What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Poppy and we're back to another video. On today's video we will be doing another sneaker unboxing, and as you can see, this is a Air Jordan 1 unboxing. Kind of impulse buy. I saw these on the sneakers app. I didn't really I remember this colorway leaked though. I did say I like this colorway to myself, of course, so you guys didn't hear about, but I did like this colorway when it first leaked, and I just kind of forgot about them, and then they just popped up and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try, enter my name in the draw, and we'll see if I hit. And I ended up hitting, so let's just get right into it. But before we do, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram down below. See how I style all my sneakers and outfits. So let's just get right into it. And first, let's start with our sizing label. This is the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air Black Tomatillo, which I believe is that green Mexican salsa. So that's the colorway they use. Interesting they went with that name because I read the sneakers app description of the shoe. It is the Air Jordan 1 zengreen, and they called it the zengreen because it's supposed to mimic the Japanese garden, I believe. And we just got those Japan Air Jordan 1s, so kind of interesting. We're going with some Japanese themes, but regardless, let's just get right into it. Standard Jordan 1 box, and for some reason I thought the zooms came in the red box, but I guess I was wrong. But anyways, what we came to see is these shoes right here, and this is the Air Jordan 1 Zoom OG High zengreen, and bang bang, here they are. And right off the bat you can see these bright laces just sticking out, which matches this bright sock liner. Now these laces just caught my eye right away, so I have to mention it. I'm not sure how these are gonna look in the shoe because this green on the midfoot area and the toe box is definitely more toned down than this, but these will definitely make them pop. But anyways, let's just go over this shoe because I don't want the laces in the way. But right off the bat, speaking of this green on the toe box and the midfoot, this suede is super nice. It kind of reminds me of the suede, I don't know if you guys are New Balance fans, but the New Balance 990 V3 Stray Rats, this green suede is also very nice, and this reminds me of that. Now, kudos to Jordan Brand, because I never thought I'd be comparing materials on an Air Jordan 1 High to a New Balance, which uses premium materials. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, Jordan Brand did their thing on these with this suede. Now the black leather, it's hard. I mean, it's not the best, but I'm not a leather expert, but it looks nice, but it just feels really stiff and really hard. But the suede knocked it out of the park. The suede's fire. And by the way, this is based, I know a lot of people are comparing these to the Brute Nike Dunk High SB. I'm not an SB guy, I just saw the comparison, and I'll throw up a picture on the screen of the Brute High SB and you can be the judge. But they do look very similar. And yeah, getting into some more details of the shoe, we have the Zoom Air on the tongue tab. And interesting about this is that most Air Jordan 1s this year, or pretty much all of them, have been coming with leather tags. However, this went back to the nylon tag. So just throwing that out there. And these do cost $5 more than the original Air Jordan 1, but it's because of that Zoom Air technology. Now you do have the Zoom tag right here. And then the swoosh is all 3M, which is super dope. And this stitching inside the swoosh, if you could see that green, is very nice, very well done. I actually love that touch. We don't get too many, I don't think I've ever seen a Jordan 1 with stitching inside the Nike swoosh, so that's a very nice touch. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with these, honestly. I kind of been off my Jordan 1 kit game because I just see too many people talking about them. It's such a turnoff that when you go on social media or Twitter and people are talking about sneakers, everyone talks about the Jordan 1. It's just Jordan 1, Jordan 1, Jordan 1, Jordan 1, Jordan 1. And I don't know, it's just kind of gets over repetitive to me, and I just like wearing different things, and I just feel like, I said this before, I know the Air Jordan 1 is a classic sneaker, but it just feels to me that today the Air Jordan 1 is like a beginner sneaker. Now, I'm not dissing anyone who likes the Air Jordan 1. I like the Air Jordan 1, but the same people who wear the Yeezy 350s and Air Jordan 1s are the people who probably just started buying sneakers. Like I said, I'm not dissing anyone. That's just my opinion on it. But if you like it, I love it. And like I said, this is a good colorway. I really do like it. I mean, I probably won't be keeping these just because I don't know how often I'm going to wear them. I don't have too much green in my closet to really go with these. So that's another factor too. And like I did mention, this is the Zoom. I have no idea if this is more comfortable. I'm keeping these dead stock because, like I said, I'm probably going to sell them. So I can't tell you if they're going to be more comfortable than the Air Jordan 1, but I'm assuming with added Zoom cushioning, they're probably more comfortable. And then might as well end the video with this outsole, which honestly reminds me of watermelon, like candy or something. It just looks like a watermelon to me, but I do think it's pretty cool. It doesn't really go with the upper of the shoe. And I think all the Zoom Jordan 1s have this same outsole. It'll be different if they ever switch it up so the outsole actually goes with the shoe. And it has a bunch of ends on it, which I don't know what that means. If you guys can see, it has like a bunch of ends going through it, which I guess stands for Nike maybe. I don't really know. But I don't hate the outsole, but I don't really love it either. It kind of just looks weird on the shoe, but I guess you're not really going to be showing off the outsole when you wear these. But overall, they're pretty nice. I mean, they're not bad. I don't love them. I don't hate them. It's right in the middle for me. I probably rank these like a 6.8 out of 10. If you like green, you should really like these. And I do appreciate, like I said, the suede on these is super nice. The leather could be softer, but who am I to judge? I don't make shoes. But regardless, if you like green and you like Jordan 1s, I say this is a home run. And I will have to say, hot take alert before we end the video, I like these better than the Pine Green 2.0s that came out earlier this year. Just gonna throw that out there. I like these better than the Pine Greens. So take that with you. And yeah, I'm about to get out of here because like I say, everyone has seen a Jordan 1 before. If you've seen one Jordan 1, you pretty much seen them all. And yeah, like I said, it is your boy, Wingstop Hoppy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.